Current state of the art in XR and AI. Right now, we're seeing a shift from gimmick applications of XR to more purpose-driven uses in education. Think virtual anatomy labs, immersive historical simulations, even soft skill training using avatars. It's not a trend anymore. It's actually supporting cognition. On the AI side, generative models like large language models and image generators such as ChatGPT, DALL-E, and DeepSeek are moving from novelty to infrastructure. We're talking about automated feedback systems, personalized learning paths, and AI tutors that can adapt in real time. The combination of AI and XR is where things get wild. Imagine an AI-driven simulation that reacts dynamically to the student's behavior. That's not science fiction anymore. It's early prototyping in many labs. But the key is meaningful interactivity and not just immersion. The future is not more VR headsets, it's smarter content behind the lenses. Ethical concerns in AI and XR. Biggest red flag, surveillance and data exploitation. When you're tracking eye movements, voice tone, emotional responses, especially in a classroom, you're sitting on a pile of very sensitive data. And who owns that? Who has access to that? And do students really understand what it is that they're consenting to? Then there's the question of autonomy. If AI starts nudging learning paths or creating work, are we reinforcing human judgment or replacing it? That line can get blurry really, really fast. Mitigating bias in AI-powered learning. Bias is baked into the data. If you train your model on a dataset that reflects historical inequalities, it will replicate those patterns. So mitigation has to start early. Transparency in data sourcing, regular audits, and involving diverse stakeholders in both development and testing. And maybe more importantly, give users control. Students and educators should be able to challenge and override AI decisions. Think of it less like an autopilot and more like a co-pilot. Future trends. Looking ahead in years, I don't think we'll be talking about using AI in education as if it was a separate thing. It will be an integral part of education. Adaptive curricula, real-time feedback, AI-assisted grading. It will all be intuitive and invisible, like spell check is today. With XR, I see two big shifts. First, accessibility will improve. Lighter, cheaper headsets, and even AR built into the glasses. Second, the content itself will be smarter. Not just sandbox simulations, but environments that adapt based on where a learner struggles the most. Imagine an economics class where the laws of supply and demand literally change around you based on your inputs. But, and that is the key, it will only work if we get pedagogy right. Fancy tech without a solid learning theory behind it is just noise.